Hey guys, this is Edwin here with Pack Home Realty. Today we're talking about 4 mistakes sellers do when they put their home for sale. Okay? And please subscribe to the channel so you can get tips, 23 experience and knowledge of the market. Okay? Number one mistake sellers do as is. A lot of homes are as is. But what I tell sellers, they need to look at what repairs need to be done. Major repairs, especially right now, you need to disclose everything you know about the home because we offer termite home and roof inspection to make sure our sellers have knowledge of what's going on with the house and what buyers, when they come in, know what they're getting into. Okay? So make sure you fix all those major repairs, minor repairs. Don't hide anything, but disclose everything about the home. Okay? And number two, don't delay to put your home on the market. Especially right now, the best time to sell your home is in the spring and the summer. Families out there shopping for a home, kids are out of school, so you want the best money for your home. Okay? So don't delay. Get the right realtor to price your home correctly and get multiple offers for your home. Okay? And number three, don't overprice your home. Right now in this market, it's a regular, normal market. Yes, sellers are getting 10 to 20,000 over asking, multiple offers. We just have to price the home correctly to get you the most money for your home. Okay? So make sure you hire the right realtor to get you the right price for your home. Okay? And number four, accessibility, right? You have to have your home accessible for realtors to show your home. Right now, a lot of realtors are coming from different areas, San Francisco, San Jose. So they only come down once. So you have to make sure you have time for them to show your home. I know you have maybe dogs. You have to lock them up, put them in cages, maybe put them outside, and just have accessible for the agents to show the property because we want to get you the most money possible and you want the most money possible and you want to net you the most amount of money possible, right? Okay. So let's be accessible and showing the homes to all the agents, all the buyers out there so we can get you the most money possible. So if you have any other questions, reach out to me. I'm always available. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.